C++ and data structure, second PUC, computer science subject, lab manual programs. Program number 6 we are doing. Write a C++ program to create a class with the data members, principal, time, and rate. Create a member function to accept data values, to compute simple interest, and to display the result. So direct and simple program is there. So class simple interest. The name of the class I'm giving it as simple interest. And here in the private section, I'm declaring variables int, principal, rate, time. See, when it is coming in red means maybe it is uh, some built-in word. So that is why I'll change this name. Instead of time, I'll take it as a time. Something you change it, or case you change it at least, right? And one more is SI, that is what? Simple interest. Instead of int, if you want, you can take float also. So here time will not be taken. Let us check if it is giving error, then we'll have some other name for it. And here we'll have public. Hold on. And they have said very clearly in the question, create a member function to accept data values, to compute the simple interest, and to display. Same function void read data and void compute void display. Now here's semicolon required. You have to write the definition for member functions. Void simple interest scope resolution operator read data. Right. So now what we do, as usual, we have to ask the values for inputs. /n will say enter the principal amount. Right. And seeing that is principal. Similarly, cout /n enter the rate of interest. Seeing interest. Then enter the time, means period, set time. We got all the three values. So time variable highlighting in red color. At the end, I'll solve it. Void simple interest scope resolution operator. Compute means calculation. CSI equal to, that is principal multiplied by rate of interest, time multiplied by rate of interest, whole divided by 100. Calculation is over. Void simple interest scope resolution operator display, and we'll say cout /n simple interest. We have to print all. Principal amount equal to principal. Right? Initially, only I'm writing the /n. You can continue this cout without giving semicolon into the next line. Instead of writing cout again and again, you can do like this. Right? If this provision is provided or if they have taught in the college, you can do it. Otherwise, write separate cout. So time equal to, that is time semicolon I gave, slash n, rate of interest equal to interest small I, and then simple interest equal to yes I. Fine. So now the main program, simple interest. I'll call this object name as y. You can give any name. Y dot read data, then y dot compute, y dot display. Okay, let us execute and see. Yes, here we have error at missing terminating character. Double two times I have given inverted commas here. Here it is highlighting. Where is that? In the principal amount here. Fine. After that, missing terminating character. Okay, that is solved. Interest, C in I have written. C in I is missing. Another syntactical error. And interest, it is saying that it is not declared. Where this one? Interest, INTEREST. Rate it is not interest. Right. So let us re-execute. Somewhere CN is there one more because I did copy and paste. So I'm not taking any ready program because these all things, actually, you will come to know even how to solve the errors also. Here also I have written interest only. It is a rate of interest, just rate. And one more, okay, seen rate is there. Single sign has come, one more sign. For seeing this one. Okay, enter the principal amount 5,000 and interest rate 3%. Period is say 10 years. So principal amount is 5,000. Period of time is 10 years. Rate of interest is 3. Simple interest to be paid is 1,500. This is your program number 6. Okay. So again, this program will be there in our blog, sridhanvantari.blogspot.com. So kindly everyone check it out. You can collect that program from that site. Okay. Yes.